Tonight I'm gonna show you how to make a simple chocolate cake, just to make at home. Obviously you can always buy the chocolate box one and make it that one, but I feel if I make it at home it's a lot more moist, it's more delicious, and I'll show you what I do to make. I'm gonna show you how to put the simple wet white ingredients first, the dry ingredients, not white, cheese, Louise. The dry ingredients, so one cup of flour first, and then with that I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon, I got a spoon, but teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder, put a spoon on, and then baking soda only half a spoon, very small amount, you don't want to put too much. And then afterwards a pinch of salt, just a tiny pinch of salt. With that I'm just gonna add half a cup of sugar. Alright, now I need 120 grams of cooking chocolate. So I got here about chocolate, and I got my measuring device here. Check 120 grams, sorry. Alright, now that I measured 120 grams of chocolate, I'm just going to put in my bowl here. And as well, I'm going to add 100 grams of butter, or a stick of butter, whatever you want to call it. And just add it all together. And I will put in the microwave for a minute, just 1 minute. Let it melt, and then if it's not melt enough, I'll put it for like 30 seconds so it melts together. And then, alright, now that the chocolate and the butter have melted, I'm just going to pour it into the dry ingredients. As much as I can, I'll just scoop out. And then I need half a glass of milk with this. I'm just going to use some milk. It's only half a glass. Chocolate powder, cocoa powder, as you like to call it. And it's quite hard to scoop from here, but 1, 2 spoons, 2 eggs, large eggs, break them, 1, 2 eggs, and we're just gonna mix this all together. Yes, like this. Alright, now I cut a piece of parchment paper. Roughly, it's very rough to the size I need it. And I finished mixing my bowl. I'm just gonna pour all my bladder, it's all equal. I like to just move my thing around, hit it a few times, make sure that it's even, and then just add whatever you have left over. Alright, I'm going to put this in the oven at 180 degrees. For me, it's an hour on my convection oven. Now that the cake came out of the oven, I'm going to make the icing. So I took 80 grams of cooking chocolate, and I'm going to add some cream to it. I need about 2 spoons of cream. Don't need a lot of cream, just tiny bit. So just gonna pour a little bit, 1, 2 spoons, and I'm gonna microwave it for about a minute, and then I'm gonna keep mixing it till it's all melted. Alright, now that the chocolate has melted, I'm just mixing it all together, and all I'm doing is pouring it, and then I'm gonna spread it out all over the cake, just like this. Now, last thing I want to put on, I'm using something called 100,000s. It's just confectionery that you can just spread over through the cake to make it decorated and look nice. And that's it. That's how I like to see my cake. I'll show you guys. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please subscribe. I need one more subscriber to get to 50. Please. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.